I want to show you a stupid, simple gun cleaning hack. I'm a former CI officer. I'm at our 320-acre spy ranch right now, and I train a lot of people, and a lot of people rent guns from us, and I have to clean a lot of guns, right? So I'm going to show you, and this is, by the way, this is not like a full-blown clean. This is where you just want to make it look pretty, right? Just get a little dust off and everything. So here we have one of my many gun cleaning kits. I'll show you some of the stuff we have in here. A bunch of rags. These rags look, some of them used, some not used. I don't know why I haven't thrown them away. I don't know. Anyways, sometimes I clean the gun, sometimes some of my team members do. So I'll just show you some of the stuff. Obviously, Ballistol is great. Have some of that. That's great for gun cleaning. And then Mother's, also good. Polishing your feed ramp and other stuff. That's a good gun cleaning thing to have. What do we got here? We don't really use this because if you want to know the world's best gun oil, go to spylube.com. But we have this there. Let's see. These are star chamber pads. We got like a smorgasbord of crap in here. CLP, gun scrubber. This is just stuff that, actually, I didn't buy 95% of this stuff, admittedly. Cotton patches, one of my employees did. We got more star patches. We obviously have a lot of rods. You gotta have the rods to clean stuff. And yes, I'm getting to the hack. Don't you worry, have patience. As I drop it, where did it go? Where'd it go? All right. We obviously have a lot of rods. We have bore snakes. I'm a huge fan of the bore snakes. Very, very simple. As you can see, our bore snake is tangled with a knife and a bunch of other stuff. What else is on there? Oh, we got our brush. We have one of our knives and our bore snake hanging off the end of it. So let's see what else. Gotta have cotton swabs. If you're cleaning a gun and you're doing a thorough cleaning, cotton swabs are great. We got a lot of those. This is another bronze gun brush that we have. And this is one of my favorites. This is a pocket gun cleaning kit, small one. Winchester makes it, but everything goes in. Let me see. Everything goes in the handle here. Now, it seems like most of the stuff is spilled out there. Oh, there's still stuff in there, to my surprise. So yeah, get a pocket-sized gun cleaning kit. But anyways, okay, now I'm gonna get to the hack. I'm finally there. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is not a thorough gun cleaning hack I'm about to show you. This is, your gun looks crappy, you wanna dust it off, be ready to go. For instance, here at Spy Ranch, we're in southern Utah, we're in the desert, and sometimes dust just gets everywhere, right? Well, when my students come to a class, and if they're borrowing a pistol from me, I don't want it to look like a piece of crap. I want to clean it off. So here's the hack. Get one of these mini blower doohickeys. Let me turn this on since you have no idea how powerful this thing is. If you have a dirty gun, and I can grab one of my CZ P10C right here. I'm gonna say, once again, this is obviously not a thorough gun cleaning. You're not taking it fully apart. You're not, running stuff down the bore. You're not using patches. You're not, because I know the gun nerds out there. Like, oh my, listen, I'm talking about a simple hack to make it look better. Well, oh, no, I turned it down. I wanna get it all the way up. There we go. I just wanna spray it out. So when's the last time I really used this thing? Recently, because I carry a SIG P365 in my pocket. And if you pocket carry as much as I do, I live in a free state in Utah, it gets lint, it gets crap all over there. Of course, yes, I'm using a holster, but still, it gets lint and other things. So I took out my SIG Sauer P365 from my pocket holster and I sprayed it off. And it took 2 seconds. So it's a great, simple, easy, lazy man's way hack. Get one of these. If you clean as much guns as I do, and by the way, if you want to know how to legally hide your guns from the government, as I said, and what intelligence operatives do to make sure that the people can't find our guns, go to spieshideguns.com. That's S-P-I-E-S, spieshideguns.com. And if you need to clean your guns, we'll get to it, because you want to make sure your guns function in a grid down situation or in a crisis. So if you haven't cleaned your guns in eons, do it. Now, you don't need to clean your gun like after shooting 20 rounds as some people do, but if it's been 500, 1,000, 2,000 rounds, you haven't cleaned your gun, get it clean. Okay, that's it. God bless you.